Okay, class. So we're gonna start talking about rocks. Remember last week we talked about the 3 different types of rocks, and this time we're gonna focus on 2 of them. But I'm not giving you what it is. So you guys are gonna be looking into some rocks or specimens, and you guys are gonna be writing down your observations, and you guys are gonna write down whatever rock that you guys think it is, and you guys are gonna be classifying them. So what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pass out Kelsey and Anna. You guys are gonna be one group with Isaac. Isaac, you're gonna be helping them, and Alexa and Karen, you guys are gonna have these 2 rocks, and you guys are gonna be observing them. So this, you guys put your rock in here. You guys can use this. This is a magnifying glass that you guys are gonna be using to look into the rocks. Remember how last time I showed you guys how to look for the properties of the rocks. So you guys are going to be using this. And I'm going to give you guys pencils so you guys can write for each group. Here you go. Here you go. And I'm going to give you guys 2 worksheets. So in this worksheet, you guys are going to be classifying what you guys are going to do. You guys are going to fold it. Can you see the line right here? So you guys fold it. And then you're gonna open it. You're gonna write down according to, depending on what rock do you guys think you guys have. Okay. So the objectives for this lesson is that you guys are gonna learn how to describe whether they're igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, or metamorphic rocks. So depending on what you guys is finding on observations, you guys are gonna be writing it down. So this is gonna be your assessment for yourselves. Okay. So you guys will have one. Alexa, Nana, and Kelsey. So, and then on this worksheet, you guys are going to be writing in part 1 and part 2 because you got, each one of you guys group has 2 rocks. So you're going to be describing your observations. So you guys are going to fill in this box for each one of the rocks, and you guys are going to be looking into the properties, and you guys will write them down. You guys have to look for the color, and remember that one of the vocabulary words that we had is dull. So if the rock is not white or clear, it's not a mineral, then it is dull because it's you can see through it, and it's a dark color. And we're also going to be looking into the weight of the rocks. You guys, what you got to do is just weigh both of them, see which one weighs the more. And then we're gonna be looking for the hardness of the rock. You can use your nail, and you can use the glass. See if it scratches or not. That means that's the hardness of the rock. So you guys are gonna be filling this in. Put your name on it and the date, and you guys will be writing down your data that you guys collect from these rocks. Kelsey? So go ahead and get started and look into each one of the rocks. Go ahead, Isaac. You want 2 more? Here's 2 more. So write your name down. You got it, Alexa? Okay, Karen, what are you seeing there?
A rock.
It is a rock. What color is it? Black. It's black? Are you sure it's black? Or is it like a dark grayish color?
Black.
It looks black? Let me see. Is it still black? Or is it more like a gray charcoal color?
Yeah.
Here, write that down.
Writing.
What about you, Isaac? What do you have in your rock? What do you see on it? What color is it?
Red, black, and white.
Red, black, and white. So what rock do you think that is?
then you need to do this one.
There's one rock that's very distinguished for those three colors. But I'm not gonna give you away the name. You're gonna have to figure it out. Kelsey, how's your group doing?
Good.
What colors are you guys finding?
This one is black and shiny.
Black and shiny.
And it
Good
doesn't-
observation. Write it down, Anna. That's what she found. What else did you guys find?
I found that it's not cleavage, it's fracture.
Ah, it is fracture. Do you guys find any cleavage in yours, Karen, Alexa? Does it have a cleavage? Remember, the cleavage is when the rock is being made like that way. The cleavage is just a straight line. And then if it's being fractured, that means if another rock broke it. So what do you think that is, Karen? Is it soft or is it hard? Can you go like this with your nail and break it a little bit?
No.
No? Okay. So it's not that soft. It's a little bit hard. Isaac, what about your rock? How hard is it? Is it too hard or is it too soft?
Too hard.
Too hard? Okay, go ahead and write that down. And there's some rocks that they have a smell. So smell your rock. See if it has a smell. Does it?
I don't smell nothing.
You don't smell
I don't
anything?
know if you smell that.
Huh.
I don't smell anything. And this one looks like sparkly.
Isaac, what color are your rocks?
It's greater than fingernail.
Black.
What about this ones? These ones are different, huh? They have multiple colors.
We're still doing this one.
So Kelsey, what type of rocks do you think you have?
I think this one's granite.
It's granite. But what type is it?
Granite.
Is it a sedimentary rock,
No.
igneous rock, or metamorphic
I
rock?
think it's sedimentary.
Sedimentary? Well, write it down.
What else do you see?
We'll find out in the next
Type of-
lesson what you guys have.
Type of stuff like shininess.
It's shiny? It has shiny?
Like in the light it is.
Some rocks have a streak. So if you scratch the rock on paper and it leaves a mark, sometimes they do have a mark. And they might tell you if they have a streak. And what color is it?
Black.
Black. So it does. Maybe what you guys have is graphite. Graphite. I wonder what graphite falls into what type of rock.
Shiny and black.
Graphite?
Great.
What do you guys think? Nana, what do you have? What about this one, Kelsey? What do you have in this one? Do you observe? You want to observe that closer with the magnify glass?
Yes.
Try the magnify glass.
What did you see?
What about this one, Alexa? How heavy is that?
It's lighter than this one.
It's lighter? They're about the same?
Yeah, they are.
That one.
Interesting.
Put it in
That's
this one.
dirt. Sand.
But like,
It's right here.
wait.
What about that one too?
Mm-hmm.
You got one big streak through?
Sure. Yeah.
What do you guys think you guys have?
No streak.
It doesn't have a streak?
Color.
What about yours, Isaac? Do they have a streak?
Cleavage.
I'm not spell it.
C L E A V
Passing
A,
the magnifying
G.
glass.
Mm-hmm. That's hard word to write
Where's
down, huh?
everybody?
Oh shit.
So quiet in here.
We're trying to learn.
Oh, okay.
What do you see, Alexa?
They're like little sparkles.
There's some little sparkles, some shininess in there. And remember, we're talking about rocks, not crystals. We don't have crystals today. We might have that later on in the unit. But today we're doing these rocks. And remember this worksheet that I gave you guys. You're gonna write down, depending if you think it's an igneous rock, you write it down, the properties. And then if you think it's a sedimentary rock, then you do on it. And if it's a metamorphic rock, you can write it down over here. So you guys have the details on your findings.
Yeah, what
What
else
color
is
do you think it is? Oh, I have like a blind green. Did I write the string color? Yeah.
Isaac, this one looks shiny. What do you think it's in there? Can you see it with a magnifying glass?
No, we haven't used it.
You need to.
Here. Put it under and just look at it.
It
Under.
doesn't feel like rough.
Mm-hmm.
It's hard.
What do you see, Isaac?
Hard.
A bunch of like
A bunch of what?
sparkles.
Sparkles. So it's kind of shiny, glossy, or sparkling? Huh?
Shiny and
Shiny? Oh, good observation. Go ahead and write it down. Good job. That was very good. What about you, Ariana? What did you find?
Do they have fracture?
Hmm.
do you guys need it?
Do you guys have a cleavage in yours, Alexa?
You don't smell the clip?
Remember,
Like it fits me, I scratch it, right?
cleavage is, no, that's a streak. Your cleavage is if the rock has it, if it's made by the rock, the rock was created that way, or if another rock broke it and it's,
It's shiny.
do you think this one was broken? Or is just, it's cleavage?
Is that one's clip?
What do you guys think?
So you can take stuff off.
So this one's not cleavage?
Non-cleavage.
Okay, and then this one is cleavage. What
Is it easy to find the properties of the rocks?
No.
No, it's not, huh? And we have more rocks to go through. So we're gonna do our little data here. We're gonna fill it out with all of them. And then guess what? We're gonna have an assessment throughout the rocks, all of them that we've done. But it's not gonna happen today or tomorrow. We still have 2 more lessons to do.
And 2 minutes?
Maybe in 2 minutes.
Okay.
What else? Let me see.
Does it have fracture?
Isaac, are you done filling out your chart? You need to fill in your information.
Does it fracture with the scratching?
Can you scratch it, Alexa? Is it soft or is it hard? It's hard. Ariana, are you done? So what type of rocks do you guys think you guys have? Remember, there's 3 types: sedimentary, metamorphic, and igneous. Kelsey, what type do you think you found?
I think I found, since I observed 3, I think I found all of them.
All of them. Oh, good. What about you, Alexa? What type of rocks do you guys think you guys found? Karen, what type of rocks do you guys find?
Igneous.
Igneous? And what was the other one?
The other one, I think it's
Because I gave you guys 2 types of rocks. So there's 3. But I'm not telling you guys which ones I chose to give you guys.
Magma.
this one's I think. Wait, which one do you think this one is?
Ariana, what type of rocks do you think you found?
I think it's one.
I don't know. That's metamorphic. Okay. There.
What does that say?
Isaac, what type of rocks do you think you found?
Okay,
Igneous?
so now we write these down.
It's a big word for you, huh? Isn't it?
Metamorphic?
Metamorphic? Oh, good reading. That's a good vocabulary word. So we're gonna be working with.